full face. Yay! Yay! Okay guys, it's 12 hours na. Ay, it's 12 hours now. I need to pee. Mama, bakit? Mom! Okay, I'm clean. I'm cleaning myself. Try again. I need to pee. Try again. Wait, I'm okay again. So, yeah! Wait. Mama? Mami? Pagtarik nun. English na pala ako. Okay. So guys, I'm drinking water because I'm tired. Kyler is so happy with full face. Wait, wait. Kyler, what face is you? Let's play with Roblox. My name is Ayashas.